Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, hot on the heels of that Aristone radiogram, I've got myself HMV record player. Circa 1961, and it's model 01-8A, and I thought this was going to be easy to find on the internet. I found one photo of this, and by Reclaimed Audio, and here's a photo of it. They're trying to flog a reconditioned one off, almost $500. I think it's a bit steep, but never mind. If somebody's willing to pay for it, that's okay. Mine certainly didn't cost that much, I'll tell you that. And but I was astounded by the lack of photos of this thing. I thought there'd be like thousands of these on the net. Well, photos of them anyway, and no, even Radio Museum, even though it lists it, doesn't have a photo. So, I don't know, are they scarce? Wouldn't have thought so. But, look, you know, reasonable condition. Some scuff marks on the vinyl covering, but on off, okay. Volume, yeah, tone. A little bit of wear there, that's okay. But it should come up okay. Inside, it's not too bad. And I'll just raise the camera up a little bit more, as much as I can. That's pretty much it. Get that out of the way. Platter spins freely, that's nice. And yeah, we have a cartridge and a needle in there. So that's all good. Hopefully that works. Hopefully. But if it doesn't, I know I've got a spare that I can chuck into it. Anyway, I'll put a link down below for the schematic of this, and it shows that it's got two 6BM8 amplifier valves and diode rectification. So we'll find out if this is actually that model, and once we pull that amp out. So I'll pull the turntable off and get that amp out, and we can have a good look at it. So there's the turntable. Let's lift it off and disconnect the power. Just a simple little 3-pin plug there, and it's all very clean actually. And looking at the motor, it's spinning freely. I'm not sure if you can see that. But so that's good. That's great. And what I did find, there's a little label on the top of this, and it gives me the model number, and this is an 01-8F for Freddie. And I looked that up on the Radio Museum, and this was made in 1963, and definitely got diode rectification on it. And the two 6BM8, so that's good, but no schematic. So, but I'm going to just, if I need to, I'll be going with the 01-8A schematic, since that's all I've got. And I'd say that'd be very, very similar. It's not too bad in there. The little identification paper there, that's seen a bit of wear, so that's gone. There's the amplifier, and all looks untouched to me. So I'll pull that out and I'll grab the speakers out with it, I think. Make my life a lot easier. The other thing I just want to show you, if you haven't done one of these before, well, on this model anyway, that's the turntable output, 3 wires, and I've just colour coded them with some nail polish, red and yellow, so I know where to put them back into. So nice and easy, nice and easy. Alright, I'll be back as soon as I've got that amp out. Okay, here it is. And heavy little thing, but all looking okay. And what do we got? Oh yeah, some caps there on the tone. Hope the on-off switch works. And a few caps, resistors. Not much. A couple of output transformers, which I see. The input, primary side, 3 wires, red, blue, and a yellow. Don't recall seeing them. Don't see those on radios, that's for sure. Let's have a look underneath. Don't worry about that for now. Okay, so 224 microfarads, rated at 400 volts. Some mustards, what's that, 10 microfarad to 25 volt, okay. It's our rectifier, 4 diodes, which will be easy to replace if we need to. There's really not a lot in this, is there? No. Well, I'll tell you what, got the speaker all set up, speakers connected, I mean. Just try and get this thing stabilised. Okay, let's see, there's our yellow wires coming to these two resistors, which get fed from one of the 6BM8s, and also the positive side of the filter cap there, my apologies. Okay, blue wires, well, they should go to the plates, so that's there, and the red wire getting power off the rectifier. Cool. So, plate, and to the red wire, I would guess. Let's turn it on. That sounds healthy. I'm assuming we go to the other plate, other blue wire, and we've got Zippo. Another bung output transformer or speaker is shot. Let's have a look at the speakers. Actually, I haven't had a look at them. Get those off. Now this one, no sound, and ew. Oh, it's seen better days. Might be repairable, might be. I think I've got a spare one about that size. Let's just see if we can get any direct sound out of this. Oh, come on. And, well, it works. So, one of those may not be working. Okay. Something not insurmountable, not insurmountable. I'm wondering if I can't source one of those specific output trannies. I wonder if just a normal one will do. I'll find out. For the time being, I'm just going to set myself up and we'll just run some power through it and see what sort of readings we get. Okay, let's check to see if we're getting some power through the rectifier, and I can see one end of it there, and follow the loop around. Where's the other end? Oh, there it is, the other side of that resistor. That should be it there. Alright, just zoom back. AC, let's give it some power and see what we get. $70 volts. Is that enough? I don't know. No idea. Let's check for 6.3. Well, at least we're getting something. 6BM8, pardon me, while I find out where the pins are. Okay, pins 4 and 5 are the heater. And so we just, where are we? There's the gap. 1, 2, 3, 4. That brown wire there. So 6.3 volts, come on. Close enough too. That's good. Alright. Tell you what, didn't notice the current limiter come on, so I think that's all okay. Let's just monitor the DC and see what we get. I think that cap will be okay, just for a test anyway. Alright, here we go. It's holding the voltage, that's okay. I'm at 200 volts. There it is. It's starting to go down. Looks like a goer. I wonder. Getting some crackling out of the speaker. So that's positive as well. Alright, I think probably the best thing to do is change those two filter caps. Oh, sorry, get two new ones in there, and I'll be a lot more comfortable with it. And then we'll give it a proper test, and I don't know, just probably run an MP3 through it, just for testing purposes. So I've got the replacement caps in, and let's give it a test. And we'll again just monitor that voltage, and we'll monitor that one. Just give it some power. Oh, we're up to voltage already, so let's go 200 volts. What's going on here? Sorry, wrong one. Okay, DC, not AC. 229. Okay. 230 volts. Oh, sorry, 220. That'll do. Thing's stabilising, and if hopefully we'll get some sound out of it if I just do it. Oh yeah. What about the other one? They both work. Right speaker, left speaker. Super. Nothing wrong with the upper trinity at all. Strange. Bad connection? Maybe my lead's faulty again. That'll work. Cool. Alright. That's a goer. Turned out to be a bit too easy. God, I don't hope for problems, but you know, just something to make you scratch your head. I'm going to just go through and change those waxies. Oh, the waxies, the mustards there. Get rid of that thing there too. Replace that. 10 microfarad at 25 volt. Probably don't have one. Not at that low voltage, but I've probably got something. Anyway, I'll change those. We'll come back and we'll actually, we'll run some music through it. Okay, recapping. Well, the majority of it is done. I've only got two little caps to do, and they're on the top of it. So I'm powering it up now, and I've connected up my Bluetooth. And I've just chosen one of the terminals, so see what sound comes through. Get YouTube going. And maybe I better check, pardon me, if I've got, no, Bluetooth. Give me a second, I'll connect my phone up to the Bluetooth. Sorry about that, all ready to go, and let's hit it.
Right works. Through the Dandenong Ranges with me horse, me friend.
Pot's a bit dirty.
I start up, way. Finish at the other end. La-da-la-da-da. I got the little lass inside. Real true blue.
Okay, try the other
She's a
side.
little beauty. And she reckons I'm good.
Not much on that side.
The leaves falling down, all yellow and brown.
Very faint. On off switch works. Anyway, I'm going to play around with it. I'll just, it's hard to, I've got to pull the speaker up and put it in my ear and see what's going on. So I'm just going to play around with it and then I'll come back. We found the problem. Dirty socket on one of the output valves. It wasn't glowing, I just moved it a bit, it's come to life, and There's the other channel.
We really love our partnership with Shopify and we really look forward to growing together with the platform.
Well, that's done. That's done. So yeah, I'll give that socket a clean. I'll change those other two caps on the volume pot, even though the volume pot's working, might as well change them. And then I'll check the resistors out, and then I'll come back and we'll wrap this video up.
There's gonna be a gunfight. Hey, mister, what's your chew, huh?
Hubba Bubba.
With Hubba Bubba, you're always ready for a gunfight. It's soft, juicy, and delicious, and Hubba Bubba blows great, big, fat bubbles that won't stick to your face.
Big bubbles, no troubles.
Hubba Bubba bubbles gum.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that Hubba Bubba commercial. That's one of my favourite commercials, that one. And I like the actor in it too, the guy from The High Chaparral. And of course, you guys in North America, you would have seen that commercial. I'm sure there was a number of them filmed. I know that. Saw them on YouTube. But that's the one I showed is the one I personally remember when I was a kid. So anyway, radio's done. All the resistors have been changed, or ones that needed to be. And I've got the thing running. Won't leave it on for too long. Anyway, stop those copyright Nazis from, marking my video. So, this was a great project. It was just so easy. I'm sure the thing just works straight off, And, but anyway, it's rock solid. Sounds, well, tinny, but, it is 1963 that it was made. And let me see, the tone does work, but I mean, there's no bass as such. And well, I guess especially off an MP3, what are you going to get? But I'm going to wrap this video up now, and I'll come back in part 2 and we'll look at that turntable. So hopefully we'll have no problems here. I want the whole thing to be easy if possible. But anyway, thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And I will see you all very, very soon. Take care. Have fun. Bye.